All right, number 7, we're given this triangle and we're asked to find the length of this side BC. So on this triangle, we know 2 sides and we know the angle in between them. So, and this, notice that this is not a right triangle, so we can't use SOHCAHTOA. We're going to need to use either the law of sines or the law of cosines. And since we don't have any pairs, like an angle and a side across from it, that we know both of those, which we would need for the law of sines, we're going to need to use the law of cosines on this one. The law of cosines says that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cosine of angle A. And here we know angle A, we know sides B and C, and we're trying to find side A. Let's call this, they called it side BC, but let's call this A because it's little a, because it's across from angle capital A. All right, now we can just plug in the numbers we know. A squared is equal to, B is 7, so this is 7 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 7 times 19 times the cosine of angle A, which is 117 degrees. And when we plug all that into the calculator, we get that A squared is equal to 530.761. And then that's A squared, so we need to take the square root of both sides, and we get that A is equal to 23. And that's the answer.